Cover the blues. We're gonna do seafood Fra Diavolo. The only thing I'm missing is some clams. My clams haven't got here yet, so we're gonna do without it. So, yeah, you start all the dishes with butter and olive oil. Okay. Well, here we're gonna do a little garlic. Okay. So, got lobster tail, scallops. They would say these mussels right for the end. The Fra Diavolo is brother of the devil. So here, so you notice when I don't shake the pan, because you shake the pan, you get some of those flames, and sometimes you get that gas that's not burned off. You get that flavor into your food. So always take it off to the side. Gonna add a little bit of the Diavolo, they call the little red pepper, fresh red pepper. Don't breathe it in, especially if you got a little cold going on, like I do. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of marinara. White wine. Put the mussels in now. Cover it up. Then I have some pasta that I cooked al dente. Like I tell you, I learned this. I learned this way from Salvatore. Salvatore's from Sardinia. He was one of the chefs of Daddy Jack's in Deep Ellum. Down in Dallas, but I 3/4 cooked the pasta, strain it, lay it out on a sheet pan, and just cool it naturally at room temperature. You put it away. You don't have to oil your pasta. It's not rinsed off, so all the starch isn't rinsed off. Comes out perfect. A little bit more white wine. Don't want to reduce it down too far. Just all the seafood, all the flavor for the seafood cooks into the sauce. It's delicious. It's one of my #1 sellers in Dallas. Lobster Fra Diavolo. I give a whole lobster. Years ago, I saw a recipe on. It was a daily catch out of Boston, and a recipe. They had one waiter, one cook, one dishwasher, 3 people employed. It was only like 4 or 5 tables, and I never forgot. It was on the Today Show, and they cut a live lobster, on camera on TV, and they had so many people. Hate crimes, somebody wrote on an etching marker on their glass, you know, killers and this type of stuff. It's like, but that's really the true way that I've learned to do it from Carlo Galazzo when he showed me how to do it, because all that flavor from the head of the lobster and the natural juices of lobster go into the sauce. So if you can use a homemade lobster, unbelievable flavor. Everything looks good right here. Just a little water to slow it down, just reduce it down just a little bit. I'm not going to toss it with the sauce. Sometimes you can serve it in a pot or a pan and you'll put the sauce right over the top. this for your significant other, I'll tell you what, it'd be on like Donkey Kong. But it's a way to never lose your loved one. Making them one of these. Cooking for your significant other is the best thing. Your family, your loved ones. So really step this up. I like to finish it with just a little bit of fresh butter. Makes the sauce, shiny, makes it so rich. See how we're picking it up nicely? Give me a fork, please. This is it. I'm going to give it a little emerald on it. A little emerald on it. Bam. And a little bit of green onion. That's it. Seafood Fra Diavolo, Glenn. I'm going to leave it just like that. That's yours. That's for you and Paula to dig into later. Bon appetit. Ajax 181 Bank Street, beautiful downtown New London, Connecticut. Deepwater Port, home of Coast Guard Academy, Cotton College, Amtrak's come here, the ferry boats from the islands, Block Island, Long Island, come and visit sometime. Check us out, Soundwaves Magazine, I write a column every month, swaves.com, check us out, Instagram, we post up some of the pictures, peace.